Ni na udhote ngini ni wavilingi wa maovo tunenge maoni makuyulu wa maovo maitu kwa Islamu mtandao wa Facebook ni Mutongoi TV. Tuambie maovo maitu na maovo makimeto vala munene wa ita Francis Ogolla ni wati wa nidhayu Musumbi William Ruto ni wakilia maovo Ogolla ingi kanana ange matiwe nidhayu kumana nambanga ya ndeke muthemba wa helikopta menda mbokani ya Usesei kauntini ya Elgeyo Marakwet. President William Ruto inena State House ni watangasa mithenya itatu ya kumeta General Francis Ogolla ivendela siandhi ya Kenya siithiwa yambatwa nusu kuma muthenyani wa umuthi banga ii ati andu angi kenda matena thayu. General Ogolla atiwa ni thayu ena miaka 62 osie mwanya wa kwithiwa ewe mutongoi wa muvia wa ita matuku 28 mwini wa kana mwakani wa 2023.
Today at 2:20 p.m. our nation suffered a tragic air accident in Sindar area, Keben location, Tort Division in Elgeyo Marakwet County. I am deeply saddened to announce the passing on of General Francis Omondi Ogolla, the Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces. Together with him in the crash were 11 other gallant military personnel, 9 who also passed on with him, and 2 survivors. The gallant military personnel who passed on with General Ogolla are Brigadier Swale Saidi, Colonel Duncan Keitany, Lieutenant Colonel David Sawe, Major George Benson Magondu, who was also the pilot, Captain Sora Mohammed, Captain Hilary Litali, Senior Sergeant John Kinyua Mureithi, Sergeant Cliffons Omondi, and Sergeant Rose Nyawira. The Chief of Defence Forces on board the Kenya Air Force Hiwi helicopter had left Nairobi this morning to visit troops deployed in the North Rift under the Operation Maliza Uhalifu, and to also inspect the ongoing school renovation works in the following schools: Chesitet Primary School, Cheptulel High School, Chepoton Primary School, Ksa Primary School, and Saplimoi Primary School. As part of his working tour, the CDF had been briefed on the security situation by a multi-agency team stationed at Chesitet in Baringo County, after which he proceeded to the Kainuk Forward Operating Base in the Turkana County, where he addressed troops, commending them for their resilience and operational success. The Chief of Defence Forces and his entourage departed from Kainuk to Chesegon in West Pokot County, where he launched the rehabilitation of Cheptulel Boys High School. He then departed Chesegon for the Recruits Training School in Uasin Gishu County, where he was scheduled to inspect construction facilities at the institution. Unfortunately, the aircraft crashed shortly after takeoff. This is a very sad moment, a moment of great sadness. For me, as the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, it is a tragic moment for the Kenya Defence Forces fraternity and it is a most unfortunate day for the nation at large. Our motherland has lost one of her most valiant generals. We have also lost gallant officers, servicemen, and women. The demise of General Ogolla is a painful loss to me, and certainly the sorrow we all feel about this passing on is shared by all of the people of Kenya, and most especially the KDF fraternity. A distinguished four-star general has fallen in the course of duty and in the service of country. I convey my deepest condolences to all families that are grieving this untimely loss and our mourning nation as well. May the Almighty God rest their souls in peace and grant their families fortitude at this time of very deep sorrow. I also wish quick recovery to the two injured soldiers in this accident who are now in hospital. The Kenya Air Force has constituted and dispatched an air investigation team to establish the cause of the air crash. In honor of the life and the distinguished military career of the fallen general who lost his life not just while in office, but in active military duty, the nation will observe a period of 3 days of mourning commencing tomorrow, the 19th of April, 2024. During this time of national mourning, the Kenya flag, the Kenya Defence Forces flag, the East African Community flag, and flags of all formations of the military shall fly at half-mast in the Republic of Kenya and in Kenya missions abroad. Poleni sana.
Eni thayu wake uthi umwe kwa muguo na indi ivendela ciambia kwithiwa cithegwa kati kuma muthenyani wa oni. Tuisonga na mbeni kana nake gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Julius Malombe ni wavia ya itheka alivoti ya mwiki wa masavu kana kaunti ya Kitui ithi twayitumia ilovia ciayo na ainene angalikoni cia mutomo Kitui cha itheo. Malombe ni waweta kana livoti indi na umilu ona umwe na kaunti ya Kitui ithi twayitumia mbesa nesa iweta kana kuvikia oyu kaunti itumite shilingi bilioni ina kweva athukumi endeti bilioni 14 katono ili itano monza otondu livoti inonanitie. Mwandiki wa Movoli na Musangi na Movasu.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Julius Makau Malombe mwamba na spika wa bunge Kevin Kinengo monena itina onena ni wa machukua tatu ulona atoewe mukawani umekuya mutomo Kitui cha itheo ni manavu thiise kwa vanene ndito cia control wa budget Margaret Nyakango na vala unatangasite kana kaunti nai imwekate wa kaunti ile itongoite kwa utumiwa ilovia mbinge viwa kuiva misala kana wage bill. Gavana Malombe ovuthiise uneni wa Mwandu Nyakango no wetie uneni tautewa uo othingilila kana kine kwanange utongoi wake ndaiye kwa kunenga inenze mauvo matema uo.
Na tuenda tafadhali mututethesie na ukania asume unewe mbesa na makiwa wetondu ni wakunda ki eka ngutume uyu watho uche vaya meimae ko twanange account tafadhali tuiva tuyumitie tumuthukume ati tumuthukuma undu batonyeka nitwisive andu angi mambi siasa kwitene anitumea tunaminio siasa iso eka tuthukume na ethia no siasa kwenda mwaka 2027 siasa sikethia ivungukite
yenge no wetie kana mwaka ni wa 2023 2024 serikali mbikia yuta ivite musala wa bilioni 4 yulu wa budget ya bilioni 14 katono ile na vala kiene kilungu kia miongole na nyanya yulu wa yana kia budget utena undu kuna weteto kana serikali na atumie kilungu kia miongo mwanzani 5 yulu wa yana kia budget kuiva misala
na yu uneni wa kwazia kitu ini kuiva muno ti wawo na muthembola makie hesabu ye meke na inundu meke besa ila twali to kwata na ijo twina kwata besa ila twali to kwata kwa mikenda meke avo na sio twina kwata ni mwisi national government iyo tunenge tembesa yu mbesa zia mwisho twanengiwe mwiwe 10 mwi wambe ni thiki tuikaonde twaise tuikaselesia andu maitu athukume maitu musala na nitumaivite vyu na yutu atuika ithi nitumaivite na kundu kungi memaivite yu makike hesabu ukisa kwithia nimekwenda kuyananisia anga twi mbesa tunenge twena na ti kunewe tunetie kwika mipango ni kana tuikaselesie misala percentage ila mananenga ni tena ile tekwithwa 50% lakini maiti 75% kwa utiwo
ngalikoni yake spika wa bunge ya Kitui Kevin Kinengo nuwetie ripoti ile natangasiwe ni controller wa budget taya ya kwanange sito serikali ovamana kumaingia ni sana inenzio wecha kana uvonge wa executive mwamba na bunge ya county ta mustali ni wambe kuma inenzi.
I want to support what our governor has said and ask the controller of budget and also the office of the auditor general to check again on their records, because what they are doing, they are issuing alarming and misleading statements to the public. I don't know their intention. I hope they are being genuine, because they are destroying our image in our people. We can even call that defamation.
Wachaundongo ni seadhuthia memba mabunge ya Kitui ondumwe na uvonge wa executive mathukuma memu ambano kienda kutoa kaunti Kitui nambe na muno kimaendeleo.
Kwa anduma kwenda MCA na governor yela makukita. Lakini suo tuamua kwa wasiomwe kana serikali ya Kitui ila etongoze Dr. Julius Makwamba lometangava na witu na MCA maito latu asakuye tuendea kuthukuma tuwe mwamba tukwatene ona andu makuna kelala talama kuna kelala mewa makuna kelele tuwe methukisia andu kwe andu maito ala matusa kuye kana andu asu mama kemepyo kweze kwethia mobubone andu maito
pe andu maandikie mitandao ni naangi omekwandika memaive mengi methe ya maivitwe makiwa kunda ngutume County itu kwenda andu county assembly na county executive makwatanite twenda kila mwathi ngali kwengi mambie kumanga na meketa county ingi undu cia vala leo kicha kwithia cie kwatia ne acikeka maendeleo
mbela cia mwenenzi wa Kitui twende kwikunikile zitumikeneza na nguya ngavana witu wende nesa igwiza kuthia wi ithe wa county ilo kwita partners enzako ta MCA wika kindu kia pata pio na projects yo kuna ward na zo itwetekana kana projects yo kuna ward MCA akethe abo governor na executive makethe abo.
Good report ya Blingo Mauvo kuma kaunti ya Kitui ni Lina Mosangi.
Tuisonga na mbeni kana nake gavana wa kaunti Ilovi Johnson Sakaja ende kutuvea ndiani yusuite migwa kukonia utongo imuthuku utena mbe kana itina kuyana na yumbe kuma milengo ni yonde ya kiuteti musini wa Ilovi ni kana gavana Sakaja tuwaisia wangangania muthei wa mali na mbesa sia mwenenthi ofisini na menda muvea wa kwika ukunikili ilani ya EACC vamwe na DCI vamwe na mbunge ya Senate ilikilile kati na kuitana ekalima Ilovi oyu na alama ende kuvinye wangaliko sionde kwanzia ya Kithoi mateo konu ndini wa utongoi wa kaunti Benjamin Mwaka na Mwavuasu.
Uthukumi wa Governor Johnson Sakaja mamusini Ilovi wende kulikandaka muthenya umwe kuthi ulaungi mauvo ma uvaluku wa kiutongoi mitumila mithuki Ilovia na wanganganya mali ya ekalima Ilovi niosula impya ya Governor Sakaja na yumbe ma chama cha UDA chama cha ugavana nimeliumilia kumuvya ivoko Sakaja kwa kuendea kukoma wiani vate kindu kiende City Hall.
The city is running Kyudutho without any pronounced blueprint. Actually, this current city county government will go down in history as the most incompetent, inept, deceptive, amateurish, insensitive, and morally degenerate administration yet.
Ayumbe a John Kiarie wa Dagoretti Ithio, Benjamin Gathiru Meja Dong wa Embakasi ya Kati, James Gakuya wa Embakasi ya Uluva mwena kamande mwa Afrika wa Roysambu, meweta mitaa ilovi oyu kalika, timari na makigu, mitau dhikiko, kana mata ona malelu na maleve ma uteti. Ni mo maende City Hall vandu va maendeo.
Nairobi City is drowning in the murky lakes of free-flowing sewerage, estate buried in mountains of garbage, taps whistling to the tunes of dryness as storm waters flood our homes and businesses.
Nobody is interested in impeaching Governor Sakaja. What we are interested in is a functioning county. The senator is complaining. Yeah, if you look at Babu is complaining. Everyone is complaining. Robert Arai is complaining. No, what we have just done is we have decided to do it as a Kenya Kwanza and call him out.
We hear that Governor Sakaja is preparing himself to vie as the chairman of UDA in Nairobi. We are telling Sakaja, instead of wasting his time vying for this seat, we are asking him to spend his valuable time going to the committee in Senate to answer the queries of audit.
Nake muyumbe wa Kamukunji Yusuf Hassan wa chama cha Jubilee wa yumilia kumukulia Governor Sakaja anengendea hatanidia masokoni manene mavailovi. Hassan wata Sakaja atoa isi soso ya kuomboya hatanidia stores sio kikomba misingini ya kwaka kiseze cha masima moto. Uvatoka nuna miao na yuvia sala siya hatanidia mbe wa ngili itatu ni tamba ikite.
And they have rendered 3,000 people without any livelihood. They are now destitute. They're out there in the streets. But the governor has ignored that particular appeal. I have spoken to him. The market people have appealed to him. He has ignored, which means he's in favor of the demolition.
Hii serikali ilisema ni ya bottom up. Na kwa hivyo ni vibaya sana kuona wale ambao waliwasupport hao ndio sasa wamewabomolea. Pia rais mwenyewe alisema kutakuwa na watu kubomolewa. Ni vizuri watu wanaitwa, alafu wanaambiwa kwa nini wabomolewe, na kama wanabomolewa kwanza wapewe pahali ambapo wataenda.
Ngaliko ni hingi na mwema ayumbe chama cha ODM hevo Babu Owino Embakasi umelondo asua. Medhito maukilia makulio maito kukonya utongo imudhuku wa Governor Sakaja. Kiyo o kila seneta wa county hii ilovi Edwin Sifuna. Ngaliko ni yake withitwe ainengana Senate. Kumana nitambia Governor Sakaja kuthi sisikalo ilawe etwa bugeni kusungia makulio. Kukonya mitumile ilovia siya county hii ilovi.
Sakaja keeps on floating the name of Baba everywhere. And I'm going to talk to Baba. Baba is not part of this thing. But he keeps talking that he is Baba's son. How is he Baba's son when he's stealing? Baba does not support theft. So, hapo kuna shida that we must cure. At the same time, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Ruto, yeye every time we notice that kama kuna kitu inakuwa shida inaungua, he rushes to the president. That is the time he goes there very fast. What is the president doing with his governor?
And nobody should argue that you're punishing the people of Nairobi because nothing is happening even with the funds. If I was Pontius Pilate chairman, I want to hand over my governor to you for hanging because I am unable to do anything else. I mean, what am I supposed to do as a senator? Please, take this governor and do with him as you will please. I have washed my hands.
Senate, which has the constitutional mandate of oversight over counties, must process the Nairobi situation with urgency. Governor Sakaja must account to the citizens through appearances before Senate.
Vilengo wa mauvuku wa musini wa ilovi nye nito Benjamin na mwaka.
Nende livotiesu yake Benjamin mwaka kuma kaunti ni ilovi yedhe ututandini wa uthiumo wito wa mbetu isioke dhiatu na mavuangi tukadhivasa.
Na udho chandini wa Kilungu cha Dhambalala. ndume numenete kukuthukiwa ni kibeti ona tho mundu muka eana ni munene eana kiembe na mundu ume mebiano toothpick ekani tumiende twesu numenete kukuthukiwa ni mundu muka
lungila kikukia kila wathanthatu kwambia saa 2:30 cia wiyo
ethwa wikalatha yukwenda ethwa ni mwitu muthenya umwe katwawa withie wiungua mume waku wiungua mundu na ethwa walekilwe gwika yundu kwenda ukathina
ona etha ni kwaku kuna salute we mutambue tu ni kana kwithwa mugo ndini wa musi nundu no mena kulea kutambulika na mapinda mengi cyo kutumiwanda koa ni kana mumana eo chao
gwikala life with a control nunu na bakao ikale na control da yundu tonyakani kulechu itende yanso itonyeko
ndukende kwasia mwana nukomete na wewe umoka wewe umoka uthambe onde uyani mwitu yawe ande wakomelele mwana
yonthe omituki ni mutanisia wambiye kudepend na eba wisaki ukwenda ukaiya
musubie na ndukamwelekanye nonge usungi wani yako yanza ni mausuwesia niwe atikope
Bishop Lazarus Musyoka pamoja na kanisa la ATG Machakos wanakukaribisha kwenye kongamano litakalokuwa kanisani kuanzia Jumatatu tarehe 15 mwezi wa 4 mwaka 2024 hadi tarehe 20 mwezi wa 4 mwaka 2024. Mgeni atakayekuwa na hudumu ni Reverend Theophilus Maithia.
Kila funguo tutakayotumia kuna mlango inaenda ku unlock, and I will be teaching and I will show you the mysteries of the kingdom of heaven. And devil is in trouble this week kwa sababu mbingu zinakwenda kufunguka.
Pia pamoja na Bishop Lazarus Musyoka.
Inaongea nawe kama muridhi wa vitu vya rohoni ya kwamba watoto wako hawatauawa, kizazi chako hakitaangamishwa.
Mkutano utakuwa unaanza saa 6:30 mchana hadi saa 8:30 mchana, nazo ibada za jioni kutoka saa 12 jioni hadi saa 2:30 usiku. Kutakuwa na ibada speciali siku ya Jumamosi kuanzia saa 3 asubuhi hadi mida ya saa 7 mchana. ATG Chapel Machakos ipo kwenye ukumbi wa KFA au kipenda Kenya Farmers Association ulio karibu na Huduma Center Machakos mkabala benki kuu ya Equity.
Mukambani wezi uimani udhui na kwa uondo ili iteko batithia uima waku. Rafiki Habo Clinic ngua Habo Dr. Mwithia nizo kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongoetie kwa uiti mwithianu na ndawa cikiwe ukunikili wa ki-science kwikithia ni cia ubosia na ciina uthu mwini waku nizo itama ukivathukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, kwalone malenyu na arthritis, kwambato ni thakame, kulea kusia, kukosa vina wa kiume, mauma kikonde, asma, mauma mitambo, fibroids, sukali na uwangi. Komana na Dr. Mwithia ewe mwene wa kuambililia matuki 15 mwi wa kanatu Makindu Eagle House katikati wa Nyekini Hotel na Coast Hotel. Wakeli matuki 16 tutwi motomo kwa Francis Yanda Mutha Online Stage itina wa Fragen Supermarket. Wakarazo matuki 17 tuikabisuni kwa Chapachapu Restaurant. Wakana matuki 18 tuikitwi Mulimol Ngolobambe Ubisi namba 54. Wakatano matuki 19 tui Masaku Complex Inn kuthengiania na Rafi Supermarket na wathandatu matuki 20 tuilobi Mulolongo kuthengiana na 3D's Hotel kwa flyover ya Yellow. Kwa mauvombe ange tuthoke mobisi na maitu kana tukunesi mukwisela noti muonza imwe ile itatu kana noti muonza na noti muonza noti kenda noti. Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals.
Our stories begin right here, and we never write them alone. There'll be pages we love to read again and again, and some we want to tear out. They are stories of dreamers, stories of creators, stories of strivers, stories of believers, and we're inspired by them all. We invite you to write your story with us. Your story matters. APSA.
Karibu ingine wa mesa ya vilingi wa maovo tuisonga na mbele tukunikila maovo kumaka likoni ya Kiswahili na maovo makonetie munene wa maminista na ulangi ni maminista wa Ndesi Anza Musalia Mudavadi ni wawetakana nimekwendea na sikalosi mwanana athukumi muvyani wa uiti kuikiria kana ni maminangu sanisila sithi tuvokati wa athukumi na serikali Musalia nukuwetakana kwa kilungu cha sumwa itano ila matakitali medhiru mukomoni ene na muno siana ni siende na kuumia lao wetakana serikali ni kwethiwa na unenaniana matakitali na ula ovikia kusia matunda 10 mikomo ila kila ivinda tanzia imwe ya kuungamia muvea wa uiti mwandiki wa mavo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa Angelina Musena mavoaso.
Munene wa maminista na ulangi ni minista muvyani wa maundu ma Ndesi Anza Musalia Mudavadi ni wawetakana mukomo ula withi tuvoa matakitali wivikia kwa nangangwatano ya serikali na muvya wa uiti awetakana ni makuikithia kana ni matwa isionenanya ula uvikia 10 ngusanisio ila sithi tuvokati wa serikali na athukumi muvyani wa uiti.
Presently, we have a crisis now in its 5th week caused by the shutdown of our entire public health system, by medical practitioners or professionals demanding better pay and employment of medical interns. And indeed, I came here also to say that as much as we may have an industrial issue, our partnership with the professionals in the health sector can never be downplayed and should never be underrated. So it is for me to show that in spite of what is going on, we shall have logical dialogue and ultimately be able to resolve the issues that we have.
Musalia nene akiva akaunti ya Mombasa kavindani kala wethi wevingwa ikomono ya methenya ina ya kila mwaka ya ngwatu ya matakitali na ataalamu ma maundu maasiana bala wawetakana serikali ni ikite mwalo nyume mwanya kwa ilia uima wamwe kwesiana nini.
Here in Kenya, we have made great strides in improving the metrics for our children, particularly in health and education. But our systems are occasionally tested to the core by disruptions that compromise the access and rights of children to quality health services.
Kavindani ka Musalia ni wa makuli ataalamu ama maundu maasiana vamwe na athukumi muvyani wa uiti kuthukuma na kithito kwikithia kana muvango wa serikali wa kwailia uiti kwa kila mwene nthi kana universal healthcare ni wani wa undu vailite.
We as healthcare sector stakeholders should align our priorities and commitments with the government's healthcare agenda to provide affordable, accessible and quality healthcare services to all Kenyans. We have a collective responsibility to support the whole of government approach in delivering our commitment to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for health, to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all stages.
Ilivotia vilingi wa Movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Musena.
Munini wa gavana kauntini ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi ni wenda atongo imaki uteti kauntini ya Masaku maye mautemo kana maye ote ivathukanio syose yake uteti na kukwatiania kuthukuma kwa vamwe undu umwe na kusukumia serikali ne utongoini wake President William Ruto kukwata mbaumwiana wa kimanyisio kinene cha Machakos University kwa kuvatha inandu sia kukilia kimanyisio kiu ainena itina wa umbano we mwana na ene sianda kivathukanio ula watwaiwe kimanyisio ki Mwangangi ni waweta vata wa kisomo. Dan Mwongela mwandiki wa Movo.
Ainena ivindani ya chathi kimwana kimanyisioni kinene cha Machakos University kila chaete vamwe atungu ime kivuthukanio na ene sianda kuma kauntini ino ya Masaku. Munini wa gavana Francis Mwangangi ni wasekana no kenda warani wa maendeleo kukusiwa kauntini ino ya Masaku na muno maundu ni makisomo kimanyisioni ki cha Machakos University no ngina atongo imakwataniye vamwe na kumba utei vathukanisia ki uteti ila siethitu sisi ya maendeleo kuka ukamba.
That as the leadership of this county, there is something we can do. President of Kenya loves this country, and I know he loves Ukambani more. I know him. Those who are close to him and they are here, they know I know him and I know what he stands for. If as a county and as a region, we sat down and we went to him asking for 5 to 10 billion to transform this institution, whether it will come from the exchequer or elsewhere, I know he can avail those resources. Because of our pettiness, this is a national institution. But when we are coming together to develop it, we were developed by people.
Utongoni ni wa gavana kaunti ya Masako no akuliaka meyumila siku kitia mena kibodho ya utongoi na kwende ya udhuthia onamo etu ala maende na kuyana kuikona siana maondo ama utongoi miakani ya tene.
Today, if we have Professor Agalo here, we have Senator Kabindu, we have Governor Wabina, we have our woman rep, haya kuna our DCC Batungulu na wale wengine wako hapa. Tuko na minister wetu wa education here, Dr. Consolata, a university professor and consultant. Ameacha hayo akuje kufanyia kazi watu wa Machakos. She is a doctor from here. If you are seeing these great leaders, a girl child, ni nini hiyo hawezi fanya? Ngangana na wanaume wachana na hiyo story. The only thing is what we are achieving, what we are attaining here. Sio? Hata hapa kuna wanaume wengi kwa council, lakini it is Dr. Mazi amesimama hapa. Mna hiyo. Na nyinyi wanaume mtipange.
Daniel Mwankela, Mutungu TV, kumaba isangioni ya kumbania enendila ikimenisioni chama Machakos University.
Mwili wa mundume wa kuwa katikatini wa mwosini wa adhi kisioni cha Kamweyani Kithimani kauntini ya Masako na indi uende na kuwa itina wake kwithi wa aingiwe ute wa usi usuwe umetwe ngalikoni siya yulu siya usi uyu wa adhi maine na vilingi wa mauvo MCA wa wodi ya Kithimani Paul Mwanze ya Muli mwamba na MCA wa wodi ya Matu Judas Mbilindawa ni mamenda maofisa amavolisi kuma Kithimani matongowe ni OCS wa Kiseseki ukwitha majosa matambia mametoke kwa kwithi wa mwi usu unaile kumwa pupukwe muthenyani wa iyo indi navikia kwithi wa uyumeo na kwithi wa livoti ina kunwa maiki nyama ina mavuasu.
Ainena na andiki maovo John Mwanyambithi ula ni musili kisioni kicha kwa Katuva Kamweyani ni wumbala kwithi wana kwatete livoti kukonya mwi uyu indi wae makwoso ni maofisa mavolisi kuma Kithimani niti na wakuwetekana mwi uyu uyindi ni wa kisio cho
kwiyo kindu sake ndu ngwatire livoti kuma bandu limoni na wabe mundu ukonekana bau unati weki gutuko na nini ndiyevo ela ni ndiyevo ngodi ye sabichifu oka na oka yo lutumoni ze mwewe muingo we muinganisiko Kithimani na ila tu ilo moni ila tu ndiyevo ila ukie tu ndiye ndoko ni polisi na polisi moka na polisi ila mokie ni mokie masia mweyosu data yani data we mita we ngaliko ya kaba na kuma bauma masia andu makaba mose atwa na yu kwa jela ni ila tuikalile ba pauga baadi kwa jana nesilia no na iye iwone leo nani mundu loto na undedia no mheshimiwa MCA
kwema oswa kwa mwi ni maofisa ama polisi ni kwa umani wa vanene ni MCA wa wodi ya Kithimani Paul Mwanze ya Muli ula wenda matambi mami tuki kuosa wa ila sikota idhi siekika
kilango enda kwa jengewa kuwenda wakani ya serikali meta wa utumishi kwa wote na mayeto utumishi kwa wote maeleto thukuma area yonde maeleto tia mwi wiki wuni andu mako maende na uthina of which mwe uzindu ikaba we Kithimani ward kwa OCS ulilia ndo alona atumite endai mana ukengie moze we atwa na ndikulia ospindi kindu chwa gelikelele nondo ni kindu githuku muno kuka na gutia mwi kiwuni na maithi na maivingia yuka kadina ko no asimu baiki ndo kinda kinaendelea kwao nitoka nitethegwe ni mheshimiwa wa Matu Judas Bilindawa na nitonya mweyosu na nimakonie simu kuma saa ina
uneni wa MCA ngalikoni ingi ni wa kwa tomba uni MCA wa wodi Mutui ya Matu Judas Bilindawa ula waumia witano kuyene ndime vathane kuinga mbusi ivindani li kuende na ukusi wa mbua mbingi
na ukumbia ndo maitu nikenda meso bya na kigu ni acha yumu yota umia tiye ni wako kwitu wana wako mukonge ndo yo no wati ndo naimba either mundu aswa alikile kiwo ni kanake vekiwo lakini kulia ndo maitu ma yada sub county ando maitu mama chako emba batoneka tweke uthengeania na kiwu
ndilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo yanito wa Mike Muli Wanyamai.
Ene ndima isio sia Kiambuani misiani na mbilini kuya kangundo ya yulu ni mamwenda MCA wo Matthew Ndunda au mile na kuthinikia maundu mama lelu na muno lelu wakuma kathithia makuthi Kiambuani ulama wetata wende uthela na kwanangika na nivatoneka makeke ya miatianio ya kumilia kiyocho amwema enendi umundi ni malasimika kwambia kwese ovisia lelu siandwani maitetaka na mayiundu ungi matona kwika itina wakona kiyocho kite usongiwani MCA wo ulame dhitwe metele asukumie milati ya malelo kuma kwa serikali ya kaunti ya Masako boni mutisia na mauvu sukwa uliku
makulu manene la maende na yukumbila enene ya nikwithwa lelo yote thete uithinikiwa na ingi mailasimika kuvindwa sialosio na muno ila kwina mbua mbingi na kwesela malelo angi ala matumeanga la manene kana ilungu ya saa
netu kwenda itia maandamano nundu wa lelo ando ingi makaiye kuma ba makati okela ndondo ne maendete ke Kambuani na kuma kati ya mako iki Kambuani lelo sundu eseleka andu matu mota maitona kwesela ona mundu wa yabanda tona utwa hospitali natenda itia maandamano natienda na ngava na kamaneki kana itia maandamano nundu wa lelo kuma nzomo ila wa yibo kuma musiokila wa yibo lelo ndo aisotemo ona ikuthime aikatwe kamete kwa unombaka tusodie twosiye mwana otusiwo twesobisia lelo nundu ndo ila utemo
ama wita utongo wa kisokita ukomelele ndini wa uthukumi na kula ithu kese kiyo cha mwene ndi
lelo savite andu mava uonde ma kukonektia wangonda baje kenda maitala nito thina muno baba imundu isilaba emuwau kana mundu no kibeti keke itokeza isilo lelo nomba kake kitosie yo musi
tuitinda twanganite ugwa twamusa kuiye mututethie kwa mungangana naito at least tumane kana twina tongoi na utethia wia nikianda naito tumana azumembe naito twikite gwoko nende wono woka tutemeile lowe twa kwa togendo itinga zoka yatema nitwamana twanda ndo yitu naito yimbe ndikuya kana jiba kutwa mesiani ni thina kwa nenea no niko kabalukile kana ngaki akakume kathia mao lelo zuna wone mbogubyo
lesimika kosa matambia na kusovya malelo mama isioni siandwani mayitangikana MCA wakisio kinde thitwa yumira na kuthinikia mathina lame kumbelete mwene ndi
bathuku tizovya tukitete oza kila mundu tumi tukagua mathangu ma simiti tuketekia mithanga tulinda isi andu no mesile mundu tuona mbua yaende yana kuwa baba yitha benzi yaingi MCA wa bao nitite imweze kuma bako ikwa MCA ne silingi mana landatu kamota na tuyaisa umona ona imwenda isa kukawake sioneke waiye babyo tuimwona ate isikula waya neta on digital na tese kula waendidi
kuma ivindani atine mewetakana atongela methitwa ivilani maithitwa maikunikila nesa ondulelo iwaile kwailwa yuende na kwanangikana kwithwa na metao mingi na nivatonyeka ivinda yukite ethwa andu ithinikiwa ukathela na kutamba icha ukui
ni watemiwe metao ni kiiguo waya maliko manene muno piu kumwe twamba umate ya makokela cia ingale makelie nile luendete misiani girls na school nene ya kuma tene muno piu lelo su tiyule waya tongoi no tongoi wo ndwa tutethia nundu no kwo kwa Paul Ngei no kwo kwa Ngai Moli Anthony Ngai Moli Mulusi MP kuno kwake ange my MCA nandwa suonde nitamasa kuiye batani wa lelo su na lelo sindu asebwe kuko biko no monde yuende te winzikite zaidi nundo na sia mesiane ila siedha siale kwa skulu nembide ya na kuna nene ya kidogo siana isu ifuti ya almost 2.5 kilometer na nilelo we kalete tamunda we nanda kambinge nae no kanange kasaiti no katemeka
kaundi ya Masaku kangundu ayolunya ni toboni mutesia.
Enende kuma kisioni cha Kithini Matinyani Kitui cha Uthuloni wa Sua nimeenda serikali ya Kitui kutungia mwaki wa stima ula unethitwe skanote thitwe sokoni usu kwa kila mewetakana melasimika kuvinga mawia motene kumana na wia wa kuvithukiwa masani ma utuko valame kwenda serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui kithikana mwaki ni wasio kithia sokoni usu na mawithi lukomayo mainena matongo iwe ni Albanas Mutuku mutandithia sokoni usu ni mawetakana mande na kwasia mali yo kumana na ungei ulawi kathite kisioni ki valama kulia atongo ikuma kisioni ki umosema tambia mame tukina kuthinikia mwaki usu tukwatiene na Onesmus Chalo.
Nende mevotandithia mamatukana atui matumota sokoni mwa Kithini Matinyani Kitui cha Uthuloni wa Sua mokile kiocho kumana na ungei mwingi ulawi kathite kisioni ki masani ma utuku menana na Mutongo TV nende ni maelese kuma betu ya mwaki wa stima ile na ikito kisioni ki wende vasa na soko wa Kithini kuma yange wamethite kivindu na kutuma mavinga mabiasara mote ni kuma na wia wa kwasia malio pala moweta kungewa kwa betu yesu kunomanita kwethwa yekiwe vasa na soko vandu vate andu na ingi kunenge nzangilia nya ya betu yesu valama kwenda mwaki usu tunge kwa metuke na bakubi na soko usum
nitithirira thina wa security nundu wa kivindu Mheshimiwa Bwana Yamu ni watu athie kutwete tanga likoni engi ya Kithini nikwithi wataula wivawe kiwe kithekani weza kwithia nduviki ya kuya kwi matuka na nicho alama ketha alama tavanda moki utuku na makuya imbetli na betha na kivindu kingi muno ona nyetakwa ni kalava yiko yakwa ona ni yakuwa ya kene ndiuma luka nesilia no kanethia yiko ni yathi na yaendie nundu wa kivindu kiu
ona wihovo mainengane kiocho ni maweta kana MCA wa Matinyani Sylvester Yamu wa mathia kumekia mwaki wa stima na niwele kwa samatabi mametoki kutangia biasara cia mwana uthukumi wona ula meulasimika kuvinga tene
kwa mheshimiwa nditukukulia kwa ndai acio nthe utulilikana andu ma Kithini ni kwithiwa wala ve cheni pe maendeleo nitikwenda cheni chu utwete Kitui kingi na utulilikana andu ala manthi thigana na itutone kukila
tai ni ciithite cina mathina nundu kwa betri no isa kwithiwa muthenya wa wio tuyukwata cheni kwanzia la elite ona mavinda maingi customer mbingi ni sioka aba na cikethwa citakwenda kumia ba Kithini na no bo ithieta wana youth twithia twikwata riziki kana twikwata ombeza cia kwa family itu nyeta kwa ni na kibeti ona umiange maingi mo ba mo na iveti na yende twithia tuna challenge ni kuondo wa kwithwa tutena ta
atu ya matomota meweta masama utuku wa kuwa methito mateo tumia stage cia Kithini kuma na kivindu kingi kila maweta takithitwe kiyonzia biasara yona imenda thina u uthinikiwe kwa metoki
Mheshimiwa Yamu tukulia kwa ndaya otondo uthukumite maundu alangi otakwenza kusovya kwenza ndovo hii na maundu angi maingi eti ukukulia kwa ndaya ni kana wise kwithiwa kwa ndaya cionthe ni wethia wa thikanga likoeno na indi no tukwenda shedio inge o baba gubi banungamite nundu ba endini ni twithwa muthenya ibinda ya utuko twithwa twikia nundu wa kubithukiwa nembolilio na balatu ya bithukiwa suo nomwe indi kwethwa kwina kibindu kya muthemba uri tono kwata mathina indi na kwithwa tutena muguo mavinda maingi ni twinuka atene nundu ni kwa kwaiwa ni cheni cha utumulikile twetele customer ona mavinda maingi no tuoneketa twi andu athuku ila tilie batibithite bandu batena cheni
ili vote vilingwa movo Mutongo TV kuma Kitui neta Onesmus Chalo
na ndio usuni we muthia wa vilingi wa movo muthe mwana kwa lama kwa tene na itunthini wa mesa ya movo kiweyoni cha umundi enda ya kutanya ilungu inge ila unengelelwe va Mutongo TV kwa oyu tiwanesa nyeheni ta wa masiwa kitaka ula unengelelwe movo kwanza ya meko ni Sharon Dinda.